Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yum and Tasty, and today we are going to make coffee cake with chocolate cream and our own homemade piping bags. So doesn't this look delicious? We are going to make this one just at home and with simple ingredients. So let's start, and for the listed ingredients do check the description box. First, take half cup of warm milk and add 2 to 3 teaspoons of coffee in it. I'm taking Nescafe, and make sure that it cools down before you add it to your wet mixtures. So take a mixture and take nearly 1 cup of sugar and just give it a whisk and make it powdery. Then take 3 eggs, and I'm taking the eggs out in a bowl because otherwise if a piece of shell gets into the mixture it would be really bad for us, so that's why. So pour in the eggs, and then a half cup of vegetable oil. Vegetable oil actually makes the cake really soft. Now let's mix it up. So as it foams up, you're ready, and now add the cool down coffee mixture. I say cool because otherwise the eggs will get cooked and you don't want that. So now I am taking 2 cups of flour and then half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder. These both things are different. I'll let you know what they are in some other video, but if you use both, then the cake would be really fluffy and really airy, what you can say. So now add the wet mixture in it and keep stirring. Make sure that there are no lumps. Do take a look at the consistency. It shouldn't be too thick or too thin than this, because if it's thick it would crack, and if it's thin then you know what will happen. So grease a cake pan and put in it, and now we are going to bake it in a pressure cooker. You can also do it in a microwave convection. I have given you the temperatures and for how much longer you need to cook in a microwave, so take a look at that. It's done. See how it's risen. Okay, for making a piping bag, we are taking a tin, that's a Coca-Cola tin or something like that, and a plastic bag. The plastic should be a bit thicker, so just take a look and view how I have done it, and I think you can follow. Okay, when using the iron, just be very careful with your hands, do not burn yourself. So that's a big thing. And while sealing it, do take care, because otherwise if a bit of part is left unsealed, the cream would just get out of it. So make sure that every point is sealed properly. While cutting the cake tin, make sure you're using a sharp knife, and make sure while holding it, do not cut your hands, please guys. Take a look at how I'm doing it. It's quite easy, and you can really make your own star shape with nozzle at home very easily, how I'm doing it, and you'll very soon see how the cream comes out. So I think you'll be impressed with it. Tape it properly. And make sure that after cutting the external part, that means the broader part, do tape that part as well so that it doesn't cut the plastic or your hand. While giving this zigzag cut, make sure that the small pieces that are being cut out, make sure to remove them, because otherwise if it gets in your food, it will be very harmful for you. So be very careful with it. Okay, so let's just cut the piping back a bit and insert the nozzle, and I'll be using a bit of tape to just stick it in position, and so that no cream oozes out of the cut part. Okay, the cake is cooled down, and when it's cooled down, take it out of the pan, and if it's not, you can also take it out and just cool it down further. So for making the cream, I'm taking half cup of sugar, 2 cup of milk, and about 3 tablespoons of flour. It'll actually thicken the milk. If you have seen my video of white sauce, then you'll know that it's just similar like white sauce, just it's sweet. So just keep watching. I'm taking Amose dark chocolate. You can take any of your choice, but make sure that you adjust the sugar amount according to what kind of chocolate you're using. If it's too sweet, use less sugar. If it's not so, then use more sugar. Look at the consistency of the milk that I just put on a low flame and kept stirring. And after reaching this consistency, just mix in the melted chocolate. I've melted the chocolate in microwave. And I've given how to do it. Cover it up with a plastic, because then the water that evaporates won't just stay on the cream, because that would just make it liquidy. So it's better that you just cover it up with a plastic real well, as I have shown in the video. I'm cutting the cake into half. You can cut it into 3 parts or no part at all. That's totally your choice. Okay, so we need 2 tablespoons of butter. Do this when your chocolate mixture that we made just previously has cooled down totally, because if you mix warm mixture in butter, then the butter would just melt and it will be a massacre. Beat it like just buttercream and then mix in the chocolate as shown. And the cream is quite ready now. You may keep it in the refrigerator if you want. Always make sure to sprinkle some sugar water over your cake before decorating it, because it keeps your cake really moist. I'm taking a stand and putting the base part over it because it helps me decorate it. You can do it on a plate. I love this layer in between, and the cream's just really tasty. Do try it out and let me know in the comment box below. You can shape up like what I have shown, or you may not shape up at all, or you may make it flat with a thread as shown before. It's totally your choice. Okay, I'm filling the gaps with the cake part that I'm cutting out, because otherwise it won't really look nice when you cut it. I mean, cut the whole cake. Sprinkling in some more sugar water to make it more moist. And now we'll be making the roses with the piping bag that we made. See how it comes out. And it's really beautiful, like the store-bought ones, isn't it so? It comes out really, really great. I was myself very impressed because I tried it for the first time. As beautiful as it is, it does taste really, really nice. So this is what it looks like on just a normal LED or tube light, and this is the actual thing what you see in front of you. Because I was using the flash of my mobile phone while recording it, that's why it looks a bit reddish when I turned off the flash. You will just see now. Okay, I'm scraping the sides with a knife because I want it just really nicely done. And you can use some scrapes of chocolate or sprinkles, whatever you like, and voila, it's ready. It looks really tasty and really beautiful. If you like it, do give a thumbs up and do share it. And please, if you do it, let me know. I'll be very happy to see that you tried and you were satisfied. If you have any opinions, do give it in the comment section below. I'll try to improve that. So let's cut the cake. It's really soft and moist and chocolatey. And we cut out a big piece. It's really beautiful, isn't it? Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel.